gentlemen, this concludes today's Raptor demonstration. We hope you've enjoyed this brief display of only a fraction of the F-22's full combat capability. As a key component of the most capable Air Force the world has ever known, your F-22 Raptors are ready to defend our nation's skies and dominate the battle space anywhere on the globe. Ready to aim high, fly, fight, and win, air power anytime, anywhere. You can see us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at F-22 Demo Team. And once again, on behalf of the United States Air Force, the Commander of Air Combat Command, General Mark Kelly, and all the men and women of Air Combat Command, thank you for your attendance, thank you for your patriotism, and thank you for your support.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for your United States Air Force, the entire F-22 Raptor team. Wow! We love that airplane. By the way, since we're talking about the Air Force, congratulations. 75 years this year. We have been celebrating all around the country at air shows. 75 years since the birth of the United States Air Force. Congratulations to 75 years of excellence. That is a great, great celebration we had. As we recover the Raptor, back to yours truly, Dana Clisham. I am the host that loves you most. And you know, I always want to keep in touch with all of you great air show